Okay, so 8105, this problem is a checkpoint for factoring quadratics. It will be referred to as checkpoint 8. Okay, so remember, when we do these checkpoints, there's a little piece here. It says if you need help solving these problems correctly, then you need more practice. Review the checkpoint 8 materials and practice problems. Also consider getting help outside of class time. From this point on, you will be expected to do these problems like these quickly and easily. So you guys know who you are. If you can't factor, you really need to know how to be successful. This is a something you really have to be able to do. So they're telling you if you can't do this, you need to get more practice. So take their advice. In the back of the book at checkpoint 8, there are problems with the answers so that you can check your work. All right, so when we go to factor this particular problem, I'm going to go ahead and use the technique they showed you. You could do this without. So we've got x squared, and then this is 7. And so we know this is going to be 7x squared, and they're going to add up to negative 8x. And so we know that's going to be negative x and positive 7x. So, oh, actually, that's going to be both negative. I had it right to start with. So negative x times negative x is 7x squared, and then when you add them, it gets you negative 8x. So this is negative x, negative 7x. What do they have in common? X. What do they have in common? 1. What do they have in common? X. What do they have in common? 7. Because these numbers here are negative, I'm going to make 7 negative and 1 negative. And you can check this by doing negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7. And then you can check negative 1 times x is negative x. And then x times x is x squared. So you can check your answers, and then these factor to x minus 1 times x minus 7.